grep is a very nice filtering utility, and you're going to use it all the times. So let's see how to use it. For example, if you do PSAUX to get an overview of all processes that are running on your system, it gives you, well, what you ask, all processes. If you pipe that to WC, you can see that's quite a lot of information, 307 lines. Now imagine that you are just looking for lines containing information about the HTTP process. You could do grep HTTP to get that information out of there. And by default the information is shown, and the text you were looking for is shown in a color as well. Now another way of using grep is to search files. So if I would do grep Lisa on star, I would search the contents of all files in the etc directory for the text Lisa. Now we can see two things here. The first thing that we can see is that we get a lot of messages is a directory, and I don't want to see all those messages, so I'm going to redirect the error output to the null device, which makes the output a little bit cleaner. So the next thing that we can see is that right now we see the name of the matching file followed by the matching line, which means that some files are mentioned multiple times. If you don't like that, just do a grep -L, just do a list of the files, which is a little bit more readable. Now let me create a test file. Now let's add a test user. Add Lisa with an uppercase L. You know that Linux is case sensitive, so user Lisa with an uppercase L is a different user than user Lisa with a lowercase l. Now let's do grep Lisa without the -L again on star to display all lines. Oops, and I still don't want to see error messages, so I'm using 2 greater than def null to redirect them to the null device. So what you can see here is just lowercase l. And this is funny, we can also see a false positive, which is a localization. We can take care of that by using regular expressions, but that's not the subject of this lesson, so I don't care about the false positives. I do care about the fact that I don't see Lisa uppercase L. In order to take care of that, well, -I will do the job. -I stands for case insensitive. And what you can see here is that Lisa uppercase L is matched as well. Now grep has many useful options. Another useful option is the option -R. You can put all options together behind one dash in Linux. So I make that grep -I uppercase R. Uppercase R makes the grep recursive. And recursive means that it's going to search all subdirectories as well. Now what you can also see is that there are lots of binary file alternatives. I don't want to see those binary file alternatives, so I'm getting rid of them by using another grep, which is going to be an exclusive grep, grep -V binary. -V means don't show me all the lines containing the following text, and that will make the result a little bit cleaner. This is a lot of work, so we have to wait a little bit. I'm grabbing the entire directory tree under /etc, and you can hear the fan of my computer working very hard to give me the result. And now we can see some files appearing. So this is basically what I wanted to show you about grep. There are so many things that are different. There are so many things that are possible by using grep, and I just want to focus on the items that are the most important items, and I think we've got them here. So that's all for grep.